Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This month, we are going to talk about Canada. Canada. We live in Canada, right? And Canada is a beautiful country with a lot of things that we can learn. So let's look at these pictures. What do you see in these pictures? What do you know? Do you know anyone here? What is this picture? This over here. Do you know what that is? This is the Parliament. Parliament, government, right? This is where Justin Trudeau works, the Prime Minister of Canada. This picture is a family, maybe a family of immigrants, people who are new to Canada. This person, I think you know who he is. His name is Terry Fox, right? These are some things that we can see and know Canada by. Okay, let's look at the country Canada. Let's look at the map of Canada. This is the map of Canada. Canada has many provinces. Provinces. What are provinces? Province is the place on the map with many cities inside it. For example, what is the province that we live in? We live in which province? We live in the province of Ontario. Ontario. So if you look here in number 4, this is Ontario, the one in pink. We live in the province of Ontario. Do you know how many provinces are in Canada? How many provinces? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is water. Okay, 6. So far, 7. Okay, green. Purple, 8. Red, 9. Orange, 10. 10 provinces. Okay, but what about these? Are these provinces? No. We say these are territories. Territories. Repeat after me, please. Territories. How many territories does Canada have? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. So Canada has 3 territories. And how many provinces? 10. 10 provinces and 3 territories. Let's look at some of the names of these provinces and territories. Let's start with number 1. Let's start with the first one over here. Do you know what this is? This one? This is a province, number 1. But what's the name? Do you know the name? The name is British Columbia. British Columbia. British Columbia is on the west. Do you see this? This is west of Canada. Let's look at the next province. Next to British Columbia is Alberta. Alberta. Okay, what's next? After Alberta is Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan. Okay. This is in the middle of Canada, and it has many farms in Saskatchewan. What's next to Saskatchewan? We have Manitoba. Manitoba. Okay. Manitoba is next to the province that we live in. What is the name of the province we live in? Ontario. Ontario. Okay. Okay, what is next to Ontario? This is the largest, biggest province in Canada. Name? Quebec. Quebec. Okay, people in Quebec speak French. Okay, what is next to Quebec? This one in yellow. This is called New Brunswick. New Brunswick. All right. New Brunswick is a small province. What is next to New Brunswick? We have Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia. For spelling, you will have to find the spelling, okay? I'm just telling you the names. Nova Scotia. Okay, what is this little red province? This is a province, very small, the smallest province in Canada. Name? Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island. Now, island, what does island mean? Island means it is land, but around the land is water. Water. Okay. All right, let's look above. Above Prince Edward Island, we have the one in green. This is called Newfoundland. Newfoundland and Labrador. So these are two together, Newfoundland and Labrador. These are one province together. Okay, we are finished. Provinces. How many provinces? 10. Okay, now let's look at the territories. How many territories does Canada have? 3. First one here is Yukon. Yukon Territory. Okay. Second, Northwest Territories. Northwest Territories. And the last one is Nunavut. Nunavut. Nunavut is a very, very, very cold territory. Up here, maybe nobody lives because it's very cold. It is in the north of Canada. So these are the provinces and territories of Canada. Now let's read a little bit about Canada's capital. What is capital? Capital is a city, name of a city that is the main, the most important city of Canada, right? So Ottawa, the city of Ottawa, is the capital of Canada. This is a picture of Ottawa. What do you see in the picture? What is this? These are Parliament buildings. Parliament buildings. This is where Prime Minister Justin Trudeau works. This is downtown Ottawa. And this is a beautiful river called the Ottawa River. Okay, let's read a little bit about Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. It is in the province of Ontario. So where is Ontario again? This is Ontario. This is where we live. This province is where we live. Inside Ontario, we have the city, Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital city, most important city in Canada. This is where Parliament is, Ottawa. The city of Ottawa is on the Ottawa River. It is next to, as you can see, the Ottawa River. What is inside Ottawa? The Parliament buildings are the most important buildings in Ottawa. Most important. Why? This is where the government works, right? Canada's government meets in the Parliament buildings. Have you ever been to Ottawa? It's a beautiful city. Okay, I would like you to write some sentences and put them in the right order. Okay, so these are mixed put them in the right order, please. And here we have categories. Categories, I want you to give me 2 more names in this category. For example, country. Country. What is a country? Canada is a country. What else? Can you give me names of 2 more countries? Okay, number 2, cities. Cities. City. Ottawa is a city. Can you give me names of 2 more cities in Canada? Number 3, provinces. Provinces. What are provinces we learned today? These are provinces, okay? Can you give me the names of 2 more provinces? For example, Ontario is a province of Canada. Please give me 2 more. Rivers. We have the Ottawa River. Do you know any other names of rivers in Canada? What about the one in Windsor? What is the name of that river? Number 5, capital cities. Okay, so we know Ottawa is a capital city of Canada, but every province has a capital city. Do you know what is the capital city of Ontario? It's not Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of all of Canada, But Ontario has another capital city for Ontario. What is that? Do you know? So please give me that capital city, maybe of Ontario, and 1 more province. Can you give me the capital city of, for example, British Columbia? Can you give me the capital of that, or any other province? So this is our homework for today. I hope you had a nice lesson about Canada. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.